Hi, I'm Dave, and welcome to JavaScript Basics. I'm really excited to be teaching this course. I love JavaScript. It's useful, it's fun, and it's available anywhere there's a web browser. JavaScript is a great first language to learn, and if you want to be a front-end web developer, you need to learn it. JavaScript started life as a simple little language intended to add a few interactive features to web pages. However, it's grown into a powerful programming language that's used on nearly every website in the world. JavaScript drives the front end of giant web applications like Google Maps, Gmail, and Facebook. It's even capable of running on the back end as a super fast web server. Before we jump into programming, let me take you through some of the places you can find JavaScript. I'll bet some of these will surprise you. JavaScript has always been used to add fun and useful additions to web pages. Simple photo galleries like the original Lightbox script make for fun and engaging web pages. You can use JavaScript to add interesting effects to a page. Check out this page, which animates as you scroll. With JavaScript, you can make ordinary web experiences like signing up at a site and filling in a form more exciting and engaging. And JavaScript lets you create very immersive web experiences, like this site for the author Philippa Gregory, which combines animation and a unique site navigation to create a compact, information-rich presentation. You can even make games using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, like this game, Super Jetroid. But JavaScript is used for more than just adding visual flair to a website. Web applications like Google Maps, Gmail, and Google Docs depend on JavaScript. Here I'm creating a new spreadsheet in Google Docs. Every part of the process, from creating a new document to titling it, to adding numbers and calculations, uses JavaScript. But JavaScript isn't just limited to the web browser. It turns out that JavaScript can even be used on web servers. Node.js is a popular choice for server-side development. It offers great performance and easily handles lots of simultaneous users. It's a favorite of big companies like Walmart, PayPal, LinkedIn, Netflix, and Groupon, who have all started using Node.js to serve up at least some portion of their websites. JavaScript has even made its way to the desktop. Many of Adobe's products let you write scripts to automate them using JavaScript. You can use JavaScript to automate Photoshop, Acrobat, Dreamweaver, and After Effects, to name a few. There are even complete desktop applications written in JavaScript, like Breach, a web browser, or Brackets, a text editor for creating websites. It's written in JavaScript. And thanks to Google, you can build desktop apps called Chrome apps out of just HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. All of these are just a handful of the things that JavaScript is capable of. There's much more. You'll need to study a lot and work hard to build the next Gmail, but the basics you're going to learn in this course provide the foundations for building complex user interfaces and web applications using JavaScript.